Right, we got a $5. Over here so my shadow's not in the way. $5 mystery toy box here. Let's get this open. And guess what? So far, no one is mowing today. Seems like every time I do these, someone is mowing. Oh boy, what do we have here? Oh boy, now this is totally my kind of box. Who are these guys? Is that a turtle? A Ninja Turtle guy? 2013 maybe? Huh, never seen him. I think they might be Ninja Turtle people. So not super old, but what's this? Those look like McDonald's toys. We got this big Ninja Turtle. Don't know what he does. I don't know if that's Ninja Turtle or what. Looks like somebody dropped off their turtle box. Turtles? Is that, oh goodness, what's his name? Splinter? I know I've sold turtle stuff before. Some of it does okay. Some of it's bread and butter. Some of it's, if you can find older stuff, some of them of the harder to find figures can go for more. This one says Viacom. That one might be 2018. I don't know what that is. You know, part of the fun of these is learning. Jojo Suela, I've heard of her. I don't know what this is though. It looks like it's foam. I don't know. So these guys, they don't typically go for much, but it looks like there's a few of them in here, so maybe I can just throw them in a lot and put them on Poshmark because they're kind of bigger. I don't know, we'll see. Or I'll just donate them. There's another Ninja Turtle. Let's see, is there a treasure in here? You never know. Sometimes people put things in these. It's empty. I have no idea what that is. Looks like it's got a button, some sort of unicorn. Don't know what that is either. None of them work. This looks like, you ever seen one of those? Usually you get, yep, Disney on Ice. I was gonna say, these are usually like at parks or things like that. Like amusement parks, Disney World. Whenever I find them, they usually tell where they're from. This is that Toy Story?
Where can I play? Real play?
Oh, it looks like some more Toy Story in here. Okay, this guy's foot's ripped off, so he's going in the trash. This is some sort of instrument. I don't know. Definitely looks older. This is Trolls. Maybe I'll put all those little glowy things together. All right, what on earth? This looks like it came out of a play set. Let's see if we can find any markings. I wonder if it's, I don't know. Doesn't look familiar to me. Cute, but who knows? These are McDonald's toys. McDonald's, is that the Hulk? I don't know if it's the Hulk. Some sort of Marvel guy. All these are Marvel. And again, they've got these things. I don't know what actually, if something slides in there or what those are. Not familiar with these. Haven't sold these before. I have seen these with the hole in the back, but I don't know. This, what is that thing? That is so fun. This is just a toy. All right. I mean, who doesn't love toys, right? They're so much funner than clothes. We got some more turtles. That looks like it was an ornament maybe. So I will definitely be figuring something out with this stuff. This is the type of stuff that I like. Small stuff. Okay, this is it's Toy Story, right? Toy Story. And it looks like you pull on her. Oh, she works. She's in a little bit rough shape, but she works. Who's this guy? Avengers. He's another one of those things. I gotta figure out what those are. Look, it's Buzz Lightyear. I don't know if he works or not. Buzz Lightyear. Who's this guy? I don't know. This is another one of those. So, oh, look, it's a gun. See, and it's got the same slot there. So, I've never seen this. This is Toy Story, and I bet this is the horse for this guy. And these are the pull strings. So We'll have to figure that out. So I definitely enjoyed this box. This is the tail to something. I don't know what that is. Headband. Oh, and a single Pokemon card. Is it a rare? Ah, probably not. This girl, I don't know who she is. Don't know who he is. Here's more maybe pieces to that Marvel stuff. And a hand. That might go to something I have. All right, so that is box 1. There's an address on this one, so I'm going to keep it over here, and I already opened it so that we could just open the box. Oh my, more of these figures. No, is he just a Barbie? Is it Ken? Who's this dude? Huh. That's Mattel, 1999. I don't know if that's a patent date. More of these crazy figures. Is that Ninja Turtle? Maybe? No clue. Google Lens maybe for that. Another one of those things. Yeah, this is somebody's Marvel action figure box. Again, I'm not a huge fan of these figures. They don't typically have a very good resale value most of the time. However, with this many, I may be able to just put them on Poshmark or something. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what this is, but it's missing a part. To get that back together. What's this? There's a Lego. That's cool. Wow. Who's he? I forget who he is. I just don't know the names of any of these things. Actually, no. Is that Thor? That's it. That box took a minute to unbox. All right, we're gonna keep moving here. Okay, $10 on this one. So this one, when I picked it up, it's very heavy, and I'm hoping that it's gonna be smalls. I don't like the big baby toys. But we'll see. Might be games and game boards. Not a big fan of that either. But, you know, you give and take. Some of them are just not great, and some of them are super fun, like the last two. I like those last two. Well, the first one, really. Okay, so Monopoly Junior. Oops, I'm losing the money. This one looks like games and puzzles. Not really my thing. Memory. So this stuff will just get redonated. I don't know what's in here. It's a treasure hunt. Oh, it's some sort of game. There's a pen. Keep that. There's pencils in there. They can have the pencils. Can always use a pen, right? What is this? Oh my gosh. Hello, hello. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a pen. Oh, cool. Fun, right? If it stays down. Wonder if it works. That can be my new pen. These are for the whack-a-mole. You know, I probably could part it out and sell those individually, but I'll probably leave them in the game. Won't mess with that. Don't know what that is. Looks like little pretend, like, toy things. Oh, what are these? These are those things you squish. Not really sure what they're called. Don't know if there's a market for that or not. Some sort of Uno game. Huh. Let's see if this little guy. We got a football. Puzzles. I will not mess with puzzles. Glasses. Won't mess with that. John Deere. It's kind of dirty. Probably won't mess with those. They have definitely been played with. That's okay. What's this? This feels very cheap. I won't mess with that. Another Clue game. Shark Bite. I don't know if that's something. I don't know. See what. Oh, we got some dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are fun. I like dinosaurs. So I'll pull out these and make a little pile. This guy's cool. They don't feel like super good quality, but if you lot them, maybe. Hello Kitty includes 500 stickers. Partially used, so can't sell it. Curious George coloring book. I typically don't mess with selling Nerf guns. I'll just donate that. There's another John Deere. This, don't know, some sort of game, riddles, counting. Won't mess with that stuff. Oh, is that Bumblebee? Huh. I'll check that out, see what I can figure out. And then we've got a whole bunch of just miscellaneous, I don't know what that goes to, little cars down here. So I will probably pull those out and make a little pile. They look to be pretty played with condition. I'm not expecting to find much in there, but still something I may be able to lot up with some other stuff. There's Tom and Jerry. All right, so this one is $10. I've already got it open here for us. It's a leapfrog something. I'll just donate that. This is a little hat by TY. Oh, it's got the sparkly eyes. I can probably wash that and do something with it. This thing I will not mess with. Maraca. Those are fun. Baby toys. This is what I'm not a fan of, but little smart first words. Huh, never seen that one. Needs some batteries. I may check that one out just because it's older. Somebody may be looking for that. Little Tykes, I'll look into that. Most of this stuff. Oh, here, look, it's another VTEX. I've never seen those, so I will look those up. I do hang on to these when I find them, and I lot those up. Hammer. Don't know on. Ooh. Oh, it won't turn on. Ugh, so that's broke. Let's get rid of that. I will not mess with this stuff. Not that it's bad, it's not for me. I do keep the animals. What's this? Little Thomas Train. Definitely keep that. These I think go with this farm. I'll throw that with the vehicles. Why not? Okay, Elmo. I don't see any of the figures, so we'll have to see. Like I said, I hang on to the little animals. I will not mess with that. Little things like this I hang on to. Okay. Won't mess with that. Ooh. I don't know. I'll look that up. That's one of those things where, you know, somebody has it and they lose it and they need it. This, I wonder if it goes with that little dump truck. All right, so here's some more of those little balls I was talking about. So I'll just set this to the side and look some of that stuff up. A lot of this will end up getting donated. Those are cute. Sassy. What is this? It says, is it Play School? Play School. Huh. I don't know. It looks like remote control, but I don't see any remote. Here we have, I'll just donate that. Definitely not gonna list this. I may put these little ice cream cones with maybe those keys. All right, we have an apron. It says cutest little cookie. Ainsley? Probably can't sell that because you'd have to find somebody with that name. I do check bottles like this because sometimes they go with dolls. This one doesn't have any markings, so I'm not gonna mess with it. And this stuff here will all be donated.